welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves. Yes, this video is being posted the same day as the 5 families of snakes video, because in the making of that video, I started off with getting footage of my Brazilian rainbow boa and my Amazon tree boa in their enclosure. I didn't really want to take them out along with all the other ones because they're so much smaller, and I didn't really want to lose them in the hassle. However, in the process of finishing up with that and then going over to do the footage with the bigger boas, I did not fully latch my enclosure, and I did the get footage and then set out and started doing my editing. I was waiting to finish some stuff up later in the day. I was going to head to work, and I realized that the door was not latched. And as I looked over and glanced, and I saw it, and I went over and I looked in, and Skellington is there, but Toph is not. Now, Toph is a very small snake, and I am quite concerned about it. I have spent hours now looking for her. I've looked everywhere that I could possibly reach. And she's a small snake, so she can get into places that I can't reach. So I'm really kind of concerned. Last time I lost a snake this small, I never saw it again. And of course, I was in a house that couldn't really hold heat very well, so keeping the space warm was not possible. And I had hoped to just find her and all the little things that naturally put off heat, but I never did, or find him, that snake at the time. And so I'm hoping though this time around, my room here stays really warm, like high 70s, 80s, and I am the only one that seems to believe in heat in this house, because the rest of the house seems to stay really, really, really cold. And so I'm really hoping that uh, if she is out, oh no, she's out, but if she's still in the room, that she will be more inclined to stay in this space, because everywhere outside of this space is like outside level cold. Like it's fall in Oregon that is cold, and so I'm banking on that, because I've literally looked everywhere that I can look, and there's plenty of places that I can't look. And so I'm hoping that if she's here, that she'll just be inclined to stay in this area, and then maybe I will just catch her roaming around, climbing up on stuff. As she's gotten out before. Before I got her in this enclosure a long while ago in my old place, and I found her reasonably quickly, climbing up on stuff that same night. So all I can do is hope that she stays in here because it's warm. I'm gonna be spending some time staying up late to see if I can catch her moving around. The problem with that though is that she's not an exclusively nocturnal moving snake. Like, she actually moves a lot throughout the day, just as much as she does at night. So I'm just gonna keep my fingers crossed and hope that she shows back up. But yeah, so that's all. I just want to update you guys on that, let you guys know what's happening. And that's why it's showing up the same day as the other video, because in the process of making that, she got lost. So anyway, you guys take care, love yourselves, love your reptiles, love your loved ones. You guys keep spreading those herps, and keep your fingers crossed that baby girl shows up unharmed and alive and well. All right, you guys take care. I'm out. Bye.